Kusile bogogo, kusile bomkhulu. The flow makhosi amakhulu, ngiyabingelela namhlanje undaba ezitha lokhuluma inkosazana yamanzi Gitawu yaLegaga. Ngimdlala ibhule inkosazana yamanzi ezangemvula makhosi amakhulu bayede thobela. This is a part 2 of the introduction, so I'm gonna recap the previous intro. I've indicated the astrology chart and the 6 big signs that falls under the astrology chart, where I spoke about the sun, the moon, the rising, the Mercury, the Venus, and the Mars. Yeah, I spoke about those. And after I went, I've also indicated that under the zodiac there are 3 zodiac sign that governs the personality of a person. However, even others they do. However, the important one are the first 3 ones, of which were the sun sign and the rising sun and the moon sign. So yesterday I've touched a characteristic wabantu of the zodiac under the sun sign, where I said under the sun sign before I went there, I've also mentioned that abantu ngokwenzalo in their birth month are divided into 4 characteristics, of which is the air sign, the second one is the earth sign, and the fire sign and the water sign. And I've also indicated that under the air sign you're gonna get Aquarius, you get Gemini, you also get a Libra. I've also indicated that under the earth signs you uthola khona ama-Taurus, uthole i-Virgo, uthole i-Capricorn. And I've also indicated that under the fire signs uthola khona i-Aries, uthola i-Leo, uthole i-Sagittarius. And I've also indicated that under the water signs uthola khona u-Pisces, uthola u-Cancer, uthola u-Scorpio. And then I went to the chart sign under the sun. Remember, our characteristics are 6, so we're gonna discuss a personality yomuntu under those characteristics. Remember the charts that has the sun, the moon, the rising, the Mercury, and the Venus. So under the moon sign, you get the characteristics of how people govern themselves in terms of emotional matures. Remember, abanye abantu mabakwatile, umuntu soyamkwatisa-ke manje kumele wazi ukuthi how do they react mebekwatile. Remember the moon sign, the definition of it, it governs our emotional matures. So abantu bama-air signs under the moon, they communicate their emotions to you through their body language. I don't know if you agree with me, but yes, that's how they do it. They communicate their emotions under the body language. Like abantu bakhona angeke bakutshela ukuthi bakwatile or kwenzakalani, but uzobona umuntu nje ase-actor nje aba-odd nje, so yabo ukuthi hayi namhlanje hayi asingena sikwatile. Ama-air signs, that's how they do under their emotional matures. They communicate their emotions to you through their body language. Then siya kuma earth signs under the moon, they relies on their brains rather than their heart. Very interesting. Ama-earth signs, when they are angry or mawungabaphethanga kahle, they relies on their brains rather than their heart. It's like mawumkwatisile umuntu usebenzisa ingqondo yakhe kunokuthi asebenzise inhliziyo. Those people are tough and very banenhliziyo. Banenhliziyo. It's like before enza ama-decisions, if umhethile uzosebenzisa ingqondo kunokuthi asebenzise inhliziyo. Yeah, kunzima. Yeah, injalo-ke. And then ngapha kuma-fire moons, lapho-ke they hide their emotions behind their walls of confidence and strength. Yeah, abantu be-fire sign, they are very complicated, because if maybe you are angry or something is not right, if you're gonna hide your emotions behind the walls, of confidence and strength. Umuntu wakhona, let's say ushonelwe, umuntu wakhona u-acta ngathi hayi, I'm fine. Abafuni ukufilelwa pity, abafuni ukubonakala aba-vulnerable ebantwini, but utholukuthi into iyamlimaza, iloku iyamlimaza, but abantu bakhona they always bold ukuthi I'll hide this. Imudla ayi-one, but yena uzombona luka confident nje kuye loya but umbone ukuthi hayi akasimnandi. Those are fire signs. That's how they act under the moon sign. And then water moons wona, they are very sensitive, and their emotions can get the best of them. Laba ke Pisces, as I said earlier on, they are very emotional and they are sensitive. Nalana futhi under the moon, they are still very sensitive, and their emotions can get the best out of them. Labo abakhoni ukufihla situation or ama-emotions wabo. If into imzwisa ubuhlungu uyazi expressa, akakhona ukuyigodla phakathi. Into mayingamphathi kahle uyayikhuluma, akakhona ukuyigodla ngaphakathi until yena aza feel good. Nayibona into enjalo. So let's move to okay, let's continue on the chart number 3, of which is the rising sign. And then remember the definition of the rising sign. It's how other people see you, how you conduct yourself amongst the people, how other people see you. So that is the chart of a rising sun. So let's look at the characteristics then of the personalities under the rising sun. Okay, the air signs, they are social butterflies, and they are very friendly people. Like, yeah, nomuntu okhona ungamazi nje ucala ukumbona, you can just click and get along with the people. Bona vele nje into yabo nje ukusocialize a lot. Bathanda i-publicity, bathanda ukubonakala yonke indawo labakhona. Like, they always leave that note yokuthi I was here. Bagqoka kahle, they are very smart, they dress very well, attention seekers, but they are very social and very friendly under the rising sun. And then ama earth signs under the rising signs, their mainly focus is on the productivity, and they are very stereotyped nje. Bamile lapho bamile, izinto that they won't benefit on them aba-compromise. So abantu ama-earth sign akusumuntu ongamthatha uthi let's go siyo ephathini or siyephi. Abantu bakhona, they tend to be bored very easily if into yakhona it doesn't bring any, if umuntu wakhona akayogina next ku that activity leyo. So ama-earth sign wona vele akusabantu be-sociality at all. They are very, very, very practical, and they are very, very productive. So angeke nje umthathe umuntu onjalo uye naye ephathini, you're gonna get bored, uzuyisona ukuthi bengimix up umuntu so. And ama-fire signs wona, they are driven by their actions, and most of the time they want to change the world. So if uhamba nabantu bama-fire sign, ama-actions wabo nje drive the whole thing, and they want to change the world. Angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani lento ukuthi, let's say umuntu wakhona uphakathi kwabantu ufuna ukuchange izinto zibe the way yena ayifuna ngakhona, and nama-actions wabo nje ukuthi babonakale, babe ku-leadership, ngibone ngikina ole, and they don't compromise labo. A no, it's a no to them. Angeke ukhona ukubatshintsha at all. And then water risings, they adapt to whatever environment they enter. Water signs, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi abantu bakhona ama-peacemaker, and they are very calm. Umuntu wakhona umixe esontweni uya-adapta, umixe ephathini uya-enjoya, umixa kuphi unjalo, umixa rural areas uya-adapta, umixa urban area uya-adapta. Bona they adapt to all situations. So ama-zodiac charts abalulekile. Remember we started with the sun sign ngenza i-definition of i-zodiac as per the part the characteristics as per the ama-months wabo ukuthi under the zodiac of the sun abantu bakhona banjani, ama-Aries abehave kanjani, ama-earth sign abehave kanjani, ama-earth sign abehave kanjani, until kuma-water sign and fire signs. Saya futhi nakuma-moon in terms of how their emotional behaviors in terms of ebantwini ukuthi bona if they are emotional, how do they conduct themselves when they're emotional. Sesiyileke kuma-rising signs where how people they conduct themselves in the public, into the earth. We went sabona ukuthi ama-air signs bona vele ama-butterflies in terms of social, and they are very friendly. Sabona ama-earth signs ukuthi bona nje they just focus on the productivity, like yeah, akusabantu abasocializayo laba yonke into yabo kumele ibonakale ukuthi yenza. Yes. I was saying that ukuthi ama rising earth bona vele they just want the productivity always. Ilabantu la kwama workaholic, uhlala semsebenzini noma afika ekhaya uvula i-laptop uyasebenza noma kuphi, ucabanga nje into zakhe zomsebenzi. Makune project ufuna ukuyibona nje, yila abantu esibabiza ukuthi ama-perfectionist, ya nje into zakhe kumele zihlale zinjalo, aka-compromise, yabona, yeah. And then ama-fire sign ngishilo ngathi bona-ke they are driven by their actions and they want to change the whole world. They want to rule most of the time. Mabakhulume into kumele yenzeke the way bona bayifuna ngakhona, abafuna uku-adapta. Hayi bona they don't like to adapt. They want ukuthi izinto zibe the way bona bayifuna ngakhona. And but bona into engichazayo ngabo ukuthi into mabayifuna bazoze bayithole. They won't give up until they get it. But bona in terms of social, nabo abantu aba-socializayo, but however ama-attention seekers, ukuthi makakhona kumele kubonakale. And ufuna umuntu wakhona noma hamba nje uthanda i-publicity ukuthi abonakale like a king or a queen, ukuthi yeah, the king is here or the queen is here, yabona into ezinjalo, isikhundla, yonke into, abantu bambuke nje makangena endaweni, yakubonakala ukuthi hayi ufikile. Those are the fire signs in terms of rising. And ama-water signs I've mentioned ukuthi bona shem they adapt to whatever environment babeka kuyo, they just adapt. Umuntu wakhona noma angakhulelanga emakhaya, mawumixa emakhaya uvela adapt kube ngathi umuntu walapho. Mawumixa kuma-suburbs uya-adapt, mawumixa ku-situation eso uya-adapt, umenza lokhu uya-adapta. Bona-ke hayi abantu abangahluphi at all. So those are the charts-ke zibalulekile-ke maniphengula abantu ukuthi umuntu mawumphengula under the sun under the sun sign kwenzakalani, under the moon sign kwenzakalani, under the rising sun kwenzakalani. So sibambe lezi ezi-3 okwanamhlanje. Ngisazochubeka futhi siye kubo Mercury, Venus and Mars ukuthi how do they behave under those signs in terms of ama-characteristics of a person. So mawenza i-zodiac charts and cards, mele understand i-personality yomuntu. First understand i-personality yomuntu, kanjalo kuba lula ukumphengula umuntu ngamakhadi, ngoba abanye abantu abazazi ama-characteristics wabo. Most of izinto ezenzakala ebantwini zihambisana nawo futhi i-zodiac yabo. Abantu abanye ngiyazi ukuthi base-stereotype, they don't believe ku-zodiac, but i-zodiac is very accurate and i-personality yomuntu ikhuluma the way ingakhona. However, ingahluka sometimes ukuthi ama-females under the sun wona anjani, ama-males under the under the sun bona anjani. Lokho kuyadifara but akudifi kakhulu. akudifi kakhulu ama-characteristics wakhona, but like ama-earth sign, I know ukuthi they may differ kancane in terms of gender, but most of the characteristics akhuluma into efanayo nje kuwo wonke ama-earth signs, ngoba bona vele le stereotype bayicabangela into umsebenzi wherever they go. Yabona those people bangaba right to hold the senior positions at work. If une-company, the owner of the company makahire umuntu under the earth sign, umsebenzi uyahlala nje, yabona, uyomeet ama-deadlines. Kunomshado uyoba nje kancane lapha ku-social, then after udojile usemsebenzini, or uyarash endlini, ungena lapha ofisini lakhe, uyasebenza. So izinto okumele nizazi-ke leyo, ama-zodiac charts, they are critically important uma ungena ku-astrology, ukuthi uwazi, uwa-understand, so that the more uwa-understanda, uwazi, kuyoba easy ukuthi u-understande abantu as per their zodiac charts. Yebo, into enjalo. Makhosi amakhulu, sisazochubeka sifake ezinye to the next session. Ngiyabonga. Amen.